What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to switch your avatar body type to R6 or R15 in Roblox. After the new dynamic update, a lot of players want to go back to the classic look and remove dynamic heads completely. To do that, you first need to switch your body type from R15 to R6, and then follow my previous tutorial, link in description, to fully reset your avatar. Let's jump in. Method 1. PC app. Open Roblox, click on your avatar, then click Edit Avatar, go to the Body tab, and select Build. Now scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the R6, R15 toggle button. Click it to switch your body type. Method 2. Browser. Open the Roblox website. Click your avatar icon, then click Edit Avatar. Go to Head and Body, then scroll down and select the Scale tab. Here you'll find the body type toggle, R6, R15. Switch it to your preferred option. Method 3. Mobile. Open the Roblox app, tap on your avatar, then tap Edit Avatar. Look for the button under the head icon at the top. Tap it and select Body Shape. Scroll down and you'll see the R6, R15 toggle. Tap it to switch body type. And that's it. You can now use R6 for a more classic Roblox look, or R15 for modern animations. If you want to completely remove dynamic heads, make sure to check out my previous video in the description.